Hello, everybody. Papa Tom here. Hope you're having a great day. I was just sitting here having a coffee, and thought I'd introduce you to a new little series I'm going to try here called Random Thoughts. A little history on that. I have a good friend that I've known since grade school that posts these random thoughts from time to time, and I like them. They're kind of thought-provoking and make you think a little bit. This one today I'm going to do is just a little bit of a humorous one. He doesn't want recognition or anything, but he has given me permission to use his content. And my thoughts are that we could just discuss or have comments relative to how this might relate to you. The funny thing is, this is the second time I'm trying to do this recording because I forgot to turn my mic on the very first one. And so, it might be relevant to that. So anyway, want to welcome you here. Thank you for coming, and would like for you to like and subscribe. And let's share this. My goal is to kind of be more uplifting and thought-provoking, and try not to get into the negative stuff. So please be kind in your comments, and please be respectful for anybody else that comments on these posts. So let's get started. First, I'm going to share what the random thought was. Here it says, random thought. The supernatural. I live in a haunted house. Before anyone comments, no, I was not having a flashback to the 70s, and no wacky weed was not involved. Prepared a couple of hot dog buns in the kitchen, left the room, came back. The buns were nowhere to be seen. I conducted a very intensive search, retracing my steps through the house, dog watching me from his place on the couch. Nothing. My memory being, let's say, sketchy of late, I decided I must have imagined preparing the buns. Oh well, it is what it is. Get 2 more buns out. The hot dogs are cooking, so I have a bit of time. Go out to the patio for a moment. Come back. No buns on the counter. What the heck? Look down on the floor. Is a mangled bun with what looks like vampire fang marks in it. After some contemplation, it was obvious. I have a vampire ghost. I mean, what else could it be? Have a good day, my friends. Have you ever had one of those days where things just, you're never sure what happens or how it goes? Well, let me show you the pictures that went along with this post. And it's humorous. Look at that innocent puppy dog there. He, no way, was the responsible for those hot dog buns. How was your day today? We have a couple of dogs ourselves, and we've lost whole roasts, hams. I still haven't figured out how those buggers have got those things off the stove or off the counter without knocking the pans down or making any noise, but they've done it. I think it's a conspiracy. I think the cats are part of it. I think the cats are able to get that stuff out of there and then get it to the dogs. I don't know. Just my theory. But how does this relate to you? One thing I like about my friend is that he didn't let it get him down. He made fun of it, and he has a positive attitude towards it. Some of us would probably get mad, me included at times. And it may be we're upset because that's the only last 2 hamburger buns that we had, or hot dog buns we had. It may be because we can't afford a whole lot. Maybe just because of the situation. You're trying to, teach your dog not to do those kind of things. But you know what? Life's too short to get too excited about this kind of stuff. When I was growing up as a kid, there's times we couldn't afford hot dog buns. We would just wrap it up in a piece of bread. My kids now don't seem to understand that. But, you do what you have to do, or those hot dogs could be just fine without bread. In fact, more studies show that we eat too much bread. Anyway, I just thought it was kind of a funny situation. And wanted to bring it up. And want us all just to kind of look more on the positive side, not the negative side. Let's try to just laugh things off and enjoy life. Would this one event make a big difference for us even a day or two from down the road? Probably not. Hey, share some maybe funny experiences you've had with your dogs, with your cats even. It'd be fun to hear what you have dealt with or what some of the things have happened with you. Anyway, you have a great day. Remember, you are loved and God loves you. You take care. Remember to like and subscribe and share this video. Take care of yourself now. Bye for now. Papa Tom out.